Why do monkeys pay taxes? Monkey wakes up. Monkey stretches. Monkey goes to work. Monkey spends all day picking bananas under the hot jungle sun. After a long day, Boss Monkey smiles. Great work! Boss Monkey gives Monkey 100 leaves. Monkey is rich. Monkey is already planning a giant banana feast. Maybe even a fancy new hammock. Life is good. Then another monkey appears. He's wearing glasses, holding a clipboard, looking very serious. Hello, I am from Monkey Government. We'll be taking 18 leaves. Monkey freezes. Excuse me? Government Monkey replies, taxes. Monkey says, you weren't the one climbing trees. Correct. You didn't fight the angry gorilla. Correct. You didn't pick a single banana. Also correct. Then why are you taking my leaves? Excellent question. Let's find out. Tax is simply a portion of the money, or in monkey world, leaves, that citizens pay to their government. Almost every monkey pays some kind of tax sooner or later, whether monkey likes it or not. Think of it like everyone in the jungle pitching in so the whole jungle can function. Not exciting, but important. Monkey imagines Government Monkey diving into a giant vault filled with leaves like a billionaire. That would be funny, but in reality, most taxes are used to pay for services that everyone uses. Things like monkey hospitals, monkey schools, roads through the jungle, police monkeys, firefighter monkeys, libraries, public transportation, garbage collection, scientific research, national parks, even giant telescopes searching for alien monkeys. Without taxes, someone has to pay for all of these things. And that's where taxes come in. Unfortunately for Monkey, Government Monkey has invented more than one type of tax. Let's look at some of them. Income tax. Monkey earns leaves from working. Government takes a percentage of those leaves. Simple. Sales tax. Monkey buys a giant banana smoothie. The menu says it costs 10 leaves. The cashier says, actually, that's 11 leaves. Monkey asks, where did the extra leaf come from? Taxes. Property tax. Monkey finally buys his dream treehouse. Amazing view, perfect banana trees nearby. Every year, Government Monkey knocks on the door. Nice treehouse. That'll be some leaves. Capital gains tax. Monkey buys a treehouse for 500 leaves. Several years later, he sells it for 800 leaves. Monkey made a profit. Government wants a share of that profit. Business tax. A giant banana company earns millions of leaves every year. The company also pays taxes on its profits. Tariffs. Another jungle ships fancy bananas into Monkey's country. Government charges a tax on those imported bananas. As a result, imported bananas become more expensive. Luxury tax. Golden bananas. Diamond hammocks. Banana-flavored private jets. Government says if you can afford those, you can probably pay a little extra. Environmental taxes. A banana factory pollutes Monkey River. Government charges higher taxes to encourage cleaner behavior. Now let's talk about one of the biggest misunderstandings about taxes. Tax brackets. Many monkeys believe that if they earn enough to enter a higher tax bracket, all of their income gets taxed at the higher rate. That's not true. Imagine the first 20 leaves you earn are taxed at 0%. The next 80 leaves are taxed at 10%. Anything above 100 leaves is taxed at 20%. Each section of income has its own tax rate. Moving into a higher tax bracket does not mean all of your income suddenly gets taxed more. Now, how does Government Monkey collect taxes? If Monkey works for Banana Factory, life is pretty easy.
The employer usually removes taxes before Monkey even receives his paycheck. Monkey hardly notices. Well, except his wallet notices. But if Monkey owns a business or works for himself, things are different. Government doesn't automatically know how many leaves Monkey earned. Monkey has to report it himself. That's called filing a tax return. Think of a tax return as Monkey homework. Every year, Monkey gathers all of his financial information. How many leaves did he earn? How much tax has already been paid? Did he have any work-related expenses? Monkey writes everything down and sends it to Government Monkey. Government checks the numbers, hopefully without crying. Now comes everyone's favorite word, deductions. Deductions are certain work-related expenses that can reduce the amount of income you're taxed on. Imagine Monkey is a professional banana photographer. He buys a camera, a tripod, editing software, travels to remote jungles to photograph rare bananas. Those costs may qualify as deductions. But Monkey cannot claim 300 chocolate bananas just because he was hungry while working. Nice try. Government Monkey has seen that trick before. Once government finishes checking everything, two things can happen. First possibility. Monkey paid too much tax during the year. Government says, "Oops, here's your extra leaves back." Monkey gets a tax refund. Happy monkey dance. Second possibility. Monkey didn't pay enough tax. Government says, "You still owe us." Monkey becomes much less happy. Sometimes government notices something strange. Maybe Monkey earned 40,000 leaves but claimed 12 luxury yachts, 5 volcanoes, and 1 pet dinosaur as business expenses. That seems suspicious. Government decides to double-check everything. That's called a tax audit. Most monkeys never experience one. But if something doesn't add up, government will probably ask questions. Now Monkey has another brilliant idea. What if I just don't pay taxes? Government Monkey smiles. Wonderful. First comes a reminder. Then interest is added. Now Monkey owes even more leaves. If Monkey still refuses to pay, government can collect the money through legal action. Ignoring taxes usually makes the problem much worse. Do all monkeys pay taxes? Not exactly. Some monkeys don't earn enough. Some charities receive special tax treatment. Rules are different in every country. But almost everyone pays some kind of tax eventually. Even buying bananas usually includes some form of tax. Now let's talk about rich monkeys. Rich monkey doesn't always earn money from a regular job. Rich monkey owns businesses, stocks, rental tree houses, banana farms, investments. Some investment income may be taxed differently from salary income. Many governments create special tax rules to encourage investing. Some people believe these rules help the economy grow. Others believe they're unfair. Different countries make different choices. Speaking of countries, tax rates vary around the world. Some countries collect higher taxes and provide more public services. Others collect lower taxes, allowing people to keep more of their income, but people may have to pay privately for more services. Neither system is perfect. Every country chooses its own balance. Taxes are nothing new. They've existed for thousands of years. Ancient kingdoms collected them. Empires collected them. Sometimes people paid in grain, animals, sometimes coins, and if monkeys had governments back then, probably bananas. Humans have been arguing about taxes for thousands of years. Some things never change. So how can Monkey make tax season easier? Keep receipts, track income, organize expenses. Don't wait until the last minute. And if everything becomes too confusing, hire an accountant. The accountant enjoys spreadsheets. Monkey enjoys bananas. Everybody wins. Mostly. So that's taxes. They're not just government monkeys stealing leaves. They're money collected to help pay for services that everyone in the jungle uses. Sometimes you'll love taxes. Sometimes you'll hate them. But understanding how they work makes life a lot less confusing. Now Monkey knows what taxes are, why they exist, how they're calculated, and why ignoring Government Monkey is usually a terrible idea. Thanks for watching. Now go enjoy your bananas before somebody invents Banana Tax 2.0.